How to engrave with Cricut Maker, full guide. Step 1. Upload a square on the canvas. Step 2. Unlock the square. Step 3. Size out the square according to your bracelet size. Step 4. Change the color of the shape. Step 5. Click on text. Step 6. Enter your text. Step 7. Fit the text on the shape. Step 8. Select the complete design and click on Align. Step 9. Click on Center. Step 10. Click on Make It. Step 11. On the Prepare window, zoom on the mat by 125%. Step 12. Click on the three dots and select Move Object. Step 13. Place the rectangle 1 inch away from the top left corner. Step 14. Go to Engrave Mat. Step 15. Zoom on the engraved text. Step 16. Click on the three dots and select Move Object. Step 17. Select the mat with grid lines. Step 18. Click on Confirm. Step 19. Place the text design in the center. Step 20. Click on the three dots in the template. Step 21. Click on Hide Selected. Step 22. Click on Continue. Step 23. Select your base material. Step 24. Line up your material on the cutting mat. Step 25. Remove the wrapping from the bracelet. Step 26. Add tape on the corners of the bracelet so it sticks well with the mat. Step 27. Load the cutting mat for cutting. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.